All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model. Beautiful royal blue with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, navigation system, heated front and rear seats. Alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good, your front hood looks good, your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Your front driver's rim, very nice. LNC curb, and let's check out your tires, right? Just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks pretty good. Just had a dent here. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LNC curbing. Check out your tires, right? The groove. Just under 730 seconds. A little chippy here, a heavy scratch, less than an inch for it is there. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into the seat. Into this vehicle, turn on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. I'm sorry, what I'm talking about. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player on us and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system right here. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC. Does have the heated seats. For the front, you got your little controls here that open up things. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for except for check engine light and your mileage of 45,646. It's got a little lightning bolt here. I don't know what that's for, but just wanted to let everybody know it does have a little lightning bolt there. Probably has something to do with the check engine light. All right, open up the vehicle. Here's, of course, your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Has rear running ACs, rear AC controls. Where they are, boom. And then back there, back here, these seats are heated. Here's your rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Liftgate looks good. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is, these seats do fold forward and drop in there as a stow and go. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Got a scuffing over here, about 6 inches. Boom. This door has a dent here. Right? Crazy? Yes, it does. Dent here at about 6 inches, paint off as you can see right here in the edges, and some here. Okay. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Little button here closes that. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread. It's under 730 seconds. Turn on these fog lights. Boom. Boom. Fog lights are running. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with only 45,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.